Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow Instagram app access to photos on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Then tap on settings and scroll down. Click on apps. Okay, then scroll and click on Instagram app and tap on photos full access. Just click, then tap on this option already access and just click on full access. Tap on allow full access, then back. That's all. To allow Instagram app access to photos on iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.